Hello, this is Dropship Beauty, and we are going over the product import tutorial. In order for our beauty products to sync into your Shopify store, you will first need to import them from the app. To get started, first log into your Dropship Beauty account. Before going any further though, make sure to have the price multiplier setting up to date on the app. The price multiplier setting helps arrange the retail price of a product when you import an item from our app to your Shopify store. This video will quickly show you how to set it up. If you need to learn more about the price multiplier tool, we have a separate tutorial video covering the matter. You can find the price multiplier tool when you go to Settings on the dashboard menu page. After you click on the Settings option, a menu list will drop down. Choose Product Settings afterwards. From here, you can set the product price between 1.2 to 2.0 times more than what we charge for dropshipping here. You can also arrange the roundup price and use the Compare at Price tool as an option as well. For this tutorial, we will set the product setting to 1.5 and the Compare at Price at 1.7. For the roundup option, we will set it to round to the nearest 0.99 cents. Make sure to click Save Settings at the bottom right section of the page afterwards. Doing so will have these preferences applied to the product retail prices once they are imported properly. After this process is complete, go to Products Next to begin selecting the items that you would like added to your store. A menu list will then drop down. Please click Search Products. The products page should look like this. As you can see, the page contains a category list, as well as a search engine. Therefore, you can go either route to begin searching our inventory list. For this tutorial, we will go with a category option. We are looking to add in some hair bundles, so click on Sew In to view the available products. You will be taken to the collection list. From here, you have two ways to gather the preferred items for importing. To select the items individually, hover over the preferred item, and click Add to Import List to send the product to the next stage for review. For example, let's add the Brazilian body wave bundles to the import list. As an alternative, if you would like to add all the items available to the import list, simply click Import Entire Collection. Please note that this option is only available to Pro members, and it will not work if you are on the Basic or Advanced plan. Before uploading the selected items to your store, you will want to first review the product description, photo, and adjusted retail prices. That is what the My Import List section is for. To find this section, go to Products and click My Import List after. Here, you will find the Brazilian body wave extensions that we added earlier in the video. The item will have the basic title, description, length options, and possible extra photos. You can also assign the items to a preset collection and tag. The collections and tags shown as available will depend on what settings you have made on your Shopify account. Please use this time to make sure all information are correct before you proceed with the next steps. We recommend adding some of your own words to the descriptions at least, in order to make them match your store's personality. Next, we have the Variants section. This section will show you the different length, color, or other options available for the product. You can use all of the products for import, or select a specific amount. This will depend on your personal preferences. You can also further tweak the product prices here, before you fully import the items. Under your price, the price displayed will be adjusted, based on what you saved on the price multiplier settings page, as well as the Compare at Price. Once you finish making all of the necessary adjustments, click the checkbox at the top left. This will highlight the product that you would like to import. Next, please click Import to Store to activate the process. Please give the process a few minutes to complete. Once finished, you will receive an updated message and the imported products will now be available on your Shopify online store. Moving forward, all imported items will be shown under My Products of your Dropship Beauty account. This concludes the product import tutorial. This is Dropship Beauty, and we appreciate you watching our video.